guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and I am bringing to you guys a new personal blender that is out on the market. You guys are paving their way, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the next best thing in terms of a personal blender. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to be testing this out, demoing it, and you guys, it has such a premium feel to it. I mean, you have a personal blender that has an actual sports cup that you can take with you on the go after you blend. So you just remove it and add your lid. Oh, I didn't. Let me add the lid here. Give me one moment. Add your lid and look at it. It is so nice and so sleek, easy and on the go. Alright guys, so you might be asking, Rachel, what do we have here? So this is a premium personal blender, and you guys, OYeet was nice enough to send this out to me and try it out. Now you guys, I only try things or test out things that I think that I would love and I want to bring to you guys to, you know, also see for yourselves. And this is one of the products that once I seen what it does, I knew I had to have it and I had to show you guys. So that's what we're doing today. This is the OYeet Premium Blender. It retails for $99.99, but you guys, this is a great thing right now. Right now, it's on sale for $79.99, and they gave me a code. They said, Rachel, here's a code for you to use for your subscribers and for your fans. It is super nice of them, and I want to thank you guys for sending me that code. The code is NTMR Crew, and I'm going to have the link for this in the description. If you're interested after the review, you guys will see for yourselves. So $69.99 was what it came to before taxes with the code. That is a steal for a personal blender, and you guys, it has such a premium fill. It's so great. So it has 1,000 watt max capacity. It's BPA and silica. The sleeve is actually BPA free, and it's about 5 pounds, just under 5 pounds for the total weight. And it has a max capacity of 15 ounces, but the cup is actually 18 ounces. So just so that you don't overload it, 15 ounces is the max capacity, but it can go up to 18. And it also has an overload feature. So one of the things that I like about this is this blender has a safety feature that if you overload it, in order to prevent the motor from blowing out essentially or overloading and just killing it, it has a feature where it'll shut off by itself that says, hey, we're going too fast or we're doing too much. Let's take a break. So you just give it a break, you unplug it, give it about half an hour, and it's good to go. And also what I like about this is it comes with, let's see, we have 7-day transformation, so weight loss smoothies here. We have 14 days of a weight loss smoothie plan, and then a 7-day plan for muscle building, or 7 smoothies for that. And then we have the user guide here. It also comes with the sports bottle lid so that you can add it after, and a cleaning brush. You guys, this is an optional feature here, is that you can get the Go Power grinder. So if you like to grind, you know, coffee beans or, you know, nuts or anything, it has this optional glass grinder that you can add on at checkout, or you can find on their website as well. They also have this blender in blue, so it's not only red, you have blue or red as an option. So let's get started, you guys. Alright, so we're going to be doing their day 3 berry mixed mango smoothie in the OYeet blender here. So let's open this up, and we will start with, it says 1.5 cups of water. So I'm adding my water here. Okay. Then we also need 1/2 cup of frozen berries. And I'm using triple berries here. Also 1/2 cup of mango. And I don't have kale, so I'm using spinach, and this is just 1/2 cup here. Alright. And 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Let's go ahead and add this on here. Alright. Let's test it out, you guys. wow, that was faster than what I thought. Let me show you guys. Just want to make sure we don't have any chunks in there. No chunks. That was very fast, you guys. Super, super fast. I'm going to go ahead and do our taste test here. You press the button. Oh, I'm going to push that back. That's really good, you guys. That's really, really good. I've never mixed those things, and it is really good. So now I want to show you guys one of my favorite smoothies that I make in the morning, and we're going to test it out in this blender. Alright, so I want to show you guys one of my favorite shakes that I make, and what I'm going to do is add 5 ounces of almond milk, and this is unsweetened. Let's see. Then I do 1 scoop of protein powder. And I add 4 strawberries. Oh, sorry. There we go. I'm going to close the lid and let's test it out. Okay, that was pretty fast. I don't even feel any chunks. Let's see. Oh, looks good, you guys. There we have it. My favorite shake. This is one of my favorite quick on-the-go shakes. And what I like about it is, all you have to do is add your lid, and it's on the go, you guys. So this is the OYeet power blender. We're gonna go ahead and do the grinder next to, you know, show its capabilities and grind some coffee grounds with it. So let's do that next. Okay, so really quick, I wanted to show you guys the grinder feature that we have on here. So it has a lid that you can add right there. I'm going to add some coffee beans. I'm only going to add enough I know I'm going to use here. So I'm doing 3 ounces of coffee beans. Alright, let's see what it does. Okay, mix them up. See if I can change the lighting so you guys can Oh wow, look at that. I'll show you guys. There's our coffee grounds. Alright guys, so the camera died, but this is how the coffee grounds came out. You guys, super fine. And look at it. That was perfect, you guys. And I know this is one of the main reasons that I will be using the grinder for, or purposes that I will be using it for, is coffee grounds. But super easy, you guys. And the great part is, I mean, with the 10% off, you can get that as well. You can use the 10% off to get this product as well. Using the code NTMR crew. And it's good for a year, so take advantage of that. It's worth it, you guys. But otherwise, that is our OYeet blender.